In this problem they has given V1 is given, V2 is given, V3 is given, values given, V1, V2, V3 values are given. They ask him to find the power approximate power consumption in the load. They ask him to find. Right. So this is a V3. I can say this V3, which is given as, this is voltage across this RL plus what I can say, J into voltage across this reactance partner, and the magnitude of V3, which is given as square root of VRL square plus Vx square, squaring on both sides. So I can say V3 is given now, how much it is, 136 square, which is equal to VRL square plus Vx square. Let us call this as equation 1. Let us call this as second equation 1. Now considering this KVL inside this loop now here, so then I can write this as V1 plus, KVL in the loop now here. What I can say here, V1 equal to what, V2 plus V3 I can say. So this V1, which is given as V2 and V3, V2 plus that V3 I can write it as what is a VRL plus JVX now. So from this what I can say here, V1 which is equal to V2 plus VRL, this is a real part, and here this is the imaginary part, I can say Vx. And so this, if I take the magnitude now here, V1 square is equal to V2 plus VRL whole square plus Vx square now, and simplify this thing here, V1 square equal to V2 square plus VRL square plus 2V2 into VRL plus Vx square. So I know V1 value given, V1 is given, V2 is given, and V3 also given. I can substitute all these values. V1, how much this V1 is a 220, so it is 220 whole square equal to V2 122 whole square plus, and from equation 1 VRL square plus Vx square equal to 130 square, VRL square plus Vx square is how much it is, 136 square plus 2 into V2. How much the V2 is again 122 into VRL. So here VRL is only a variable here, unknown parameter. VRL which is given as 220 square minus 122 square minus 136 square by what, 2 into 122. Right. So simplify this thing, we can get this VRL. How much this VRL will get it as, what it is, 120 square minus 122 square minus 136 square by what, 244. This value 61.5. 55. This is the voltage across this load now. Voltage across this load. They asking to find the power across the load only. So from this power across my load PL, which is given as what? VRL square by load resistor RL. How much it is? 61.5. 61.55 whole square by what? 5 whole square by 5. How much will get this load power is what? 757.86 watts. So finally this is the power across this load. Power across this given load 757.